Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news that the government is planning to remove the general consumption tax G.C.T on eggs. This comes amidst complaints that the tax is crippling the industry. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw gave the signal through a technocrat at a recent general meeting of the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association. Eggs, a vital ingredient for the baking industry and a breakfast item some Jamaicans cannot do without. Just recently, there was good news for egg farmers and consumers from Principal Director of Planning and Policy Development in the Agriculture Ministry, Sean Baugh. He was delivering a message on behalf of his Minister Audley Shaw.
That it is his intention, and this is not talk, to speak with the Ministry of Finance with the aim of removing G.C.T on eggs. This is the minister saying.
There was no timeline for the removal, but one of the objectives is to increase the average egg consumption in Jamaica to between 2 and 2.5 eggs per week from 1 to 1.5.
It's not a matter of gimmicks for you to feel good. Because we believe strongly that if we are urging farmers to produce, we must support the conditions for the market to grow.
Table egg production in Jamaica moved from 120 million eggs per year in 2008 to 192 million in 2018. While lauding the plan to remove the G.C.T on eggs, President of the Jamaica Egg Farmers Association, Roy Baker, spoke to challenges last year.
The unforgettable glut of 2018 presented major discrepancies in the marketplace, which resulted in prices falling to its lowest in over 10 years.
He added that retailers didn't want to drop their prices.
So it created that imbalance that hurt some farmers, buried some farmers, and really stifled the industry.
Mr. Baugh urged egg farmers to adopt climate-smart practices so that the industry can grow.
More and more, the protection of the environment is becoming increasingly important. We have now banned the use of plastic bags. As an industry, we must also lead in the use of recyclable or renewable packaging material. Also, our farm practices must be one that allows for the protection of the environment.